because without our young people we don't have a future. Well, the primary need is to keep our young people in the town. We have a vibrant young population, but we tend to export them without meaning to. They are working in the four corners of the country and the four corners of the globe, and we want to change that. We want to have a town that's fit for purpose for young people, that they will be happy to come back to and reinvigorate. And that's the main, if you like, that's one of the main thrusts of what we're doing. That when you live in Carrick-on-Suir as a young person, you can make a career and you can spend the rest of your life happily here. They are moving out, and they're also, which is another facet of it, Grania, they're also, whereas they may be living here for part of the time, they're working outside the town. They're working in Waterford and they're working in Clonmel and Kilkenny. And we think that we can, properly organised, we can actually, and planned, we can have those back. Because without our young people, we don't have a future. Well, there's a lot happening locally, and one of the things that's very interesting is, and it's something that the town hasn't really been involved in heretofore, is tourism. We have a castle, it's an unfortified Elizabethan house. It's the only one of its type in the country. And OPW have spent a lot of money, as I said, on that. And I think that is a tourism product that can be developed. We also, independently of that, have a blueway that has been set up. It was opened last May, and that has enormous potential. The Waterford Greenway has been very successful, and we have high hopes that our blueway will be as successful. We are also in the middle of what's known as the Munster Vales, which is a tourism initiative that brings all of the various mountains around us, like the Comaras, the Galtees, the Knockmill Downs, into one tourism product. So we have a number of things going on which will actually be a game changer for the town. We can see it already in a small way. There are people coming, they're walking, they're cycling, they're hiring bikes, they're having coffee, people that weren't visiting our town before.